بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. When the sky has split open and has listened to its Lord and was obligated to do so, and when the earth has been extended and has cast out that within it and relinquished it, and has listened to its Lord and was obligated to do so. O mankind, indeed you are laboring toward your Lord with great exertion and will meet it. Then as for he who is given his record in his right hand, he will be judged with an easy account and return to his people in happiness. But as for he who is given his record behind his back, he will cry out for destruction and enter to burn in a blaze. Indeed, he had once been among his people in happiness. Indeed, he had thought he would never return to Allah. But yes, indeed, his Lord was ever of him seeing. So I swear by the twilight glow, and by the night and what it envelops, and by the moon when it becomes full, that you will surely embark upon state after state. So what is the matter with them that they do not believe? And when the Quran is recited to them, they do not prostrate to Allah. But those who have disbelieved deny, and Allah is most knowing of what they keep within themselves. So give them tidings of a painful punishment. Except for those who believe and do righteous deeds, for them is a reward uninterrupted.
صدق الله العظيم.